this presentation, we will be showing you on how you can prevent and protect yourself from legal immigration scams. Many families across the country are experiencing fear and uncertainty because of inhumane immigration agenda, and scammers are paying attention. Be careful on who you hire. Watch out for immigration scams, such like fake legal services that pretend to be attorneys and promise you a guaranteed result. Be wary of anyone that promises you a guaranteed result. No legitimate attorney can guarantee that. Also, watch out for those who may ask you to pay significant fees. Want to be cautious of people that request their payment in gift cards, wire transfers, Venmo, all of that. That's something that you should be cautious about. And if they're asking you for significant fees, extra money, amount that's way too much, and you receive little to no actual services or communication about your case, that's something that you also need to be aware about. Other fake legal scams will be in many Spanish-speaking nations. Notarios are powerful attorneys with special legal credentials. However, in the US, they are only authorized by the government to witness the signing of important documents. They are not authorized to provide legal services related to immigration. These immigration scams, including notario fraud, prey on the hopes of safety and stability of our immigrant communities. Again, only lawyers, accredited representatives, and recognized organizations can give you legal advice or represent you in immigration courts. Please familiarize yourself with existing resources that are available and learn how to check that individual that you are planning to hire to see if they are qualified to provide immigration help. If someone claims they are licensed in the state of California or another state and can practice immigration law, confirm they are licensed and in good standing by visiting, for example, on Google, Yahoo. You look up State Bar of your selective state, attorney search. Up on Google, State Bar of California, usually the first or second site are the ones you want to go to. They will always have on the first page, looking up a lawyer, find a lawyer, see if they're licensed. So in this example, we are searching Rocio Sanchez Flores. They will show you the exact name or similar names, their status, their bar ID number, the city that they are located at. If you click on the name, it will give you more contact information of the attorney and also gives you a status on their license, their disciplinary, and their administrative actions. We will be looking up, again, Attorney Rocio Sanchez Flores. However, we will be searching as if she was fit into the State Bar of Virginia. Scrolling down the first few tabs, look up a lawyer. You're going to type in the name of the attorney, any other info you might have of them, and do a quick find, loading, and as you can see, there are no records of that attorney in the Virginia lawyer search. But again, has similar tabs of the previous search that we did, full name, class, bar ID number, status, etc. Here we go again onto the Virginia State Bar, look up the lawyer. This case, the name is James Smith. We click find, scroll down, and you can see the exact name or similar names and shows you the type of status they are in, the city, state, have they been publicly disciplined, do they have current suspensions, and the date of their license. The attorney has disciplinary statuses. That can be something to be cautious about when hiring them. In this video, you can see that the attorney we searched has disciplinary background. On the left side, you can see the dates of when they were not eligible to practice law in the state of California, and also shows the type of disciplinary status they had. To remind yourself and to your loved ones of things that you do want to do when you might be in a potential immigration legal scam. You do want to try to get free legal help from a nonprofit. Many nonprofit organizations provide free immigration help to low-income individuals, and you can do a quick Google search on the nonprofit organization nearest to you. You also do want to confirm that anyone helping you with your case is licensed. Remember that only lawyers, accredited representatives, and recognized organizations can give you legal advice and represent you in courts. Some immigration consultants may call themselves immigration lawyers, but they are not licensed to represent you. You also want to make sure that you keep your documents in a safe place. Don't give your original documents to anyone unless you see proof that the government requires that original document. Make sure you keep copies of all your immigration-related documents, including copies of the document filed with the government and communications with the government, in a safe place. Always make sure to access information from .gov websites. These are government-affiliated websites. Any websites that end with .com, .net, or any other domains may be untrustworthy. Lastly, these are things that we want to remind you of, things not to do or things to be aware of when you are hiring an attorney, and things that you want to be cautious about that can prevent you from being involved in an immigration legal scam. Remember to not hire notarios. Notarios are not lawyers here in the United States. You always want to make sure that you do not trust anyone who claims to be able to get special favors from the government or guarantees you that a work permit or any immigration benefit will be easy to achieve. No legitimate attorney can give you guaranteed results. You want to make sure that you understand everything that you are signing. You are entitled to contracts that list the services and how much each service costs, and make sure you keep a copy of that contract and receipts of your payments. So you want to make sure that before you sign any immigration document or form, be sure that they are fully and accurately filled out. Don't let anyone convince you to lie on a form or sign a blank form. Never sign anything until you understand what it says. Lastly, you want to make sure that you do not give money or personal information to anyone that calls, texts, or emails you or direct messages you on social media. No federal or state agency like USCIS, ICE, etc. will ever ask you for this through phone, email, text, social media messages, etc. So please be cautious of that.